everyone, and welcome to Girl Talk World. I'm Carly, and today I'm going to show you something very special that I've been sent in the post from Lego. It's a brand new product, Lego Dots, and I can't wait to show you what's inside. I'm going to open it up and have a look. And look how colourful it is. First of all, they've sent me some bracelets to make. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So what have we got here? We've got lovebirds, which is some cute parrots. I think they're parrots. So that's like a very tropical feel if you're feeling that. Then we've got here, we have sparkly unicorn, which is obviously really cute, and there's some glittery ones in there. Then we've got, a funky animal. So there's a cat one. So yeah, pinks and blacks in there. Rainbows. Oh, there's a little cloud in there. Don't know if you can see that. It's cute. And Cosmic Wonder. Oh, so it's like a space feel. So that's quite cool. So I'm going to have a go at making one of these now, and this is my favourite. So I'm going to go with Cosmic Wonder, and then I think I'm going to give the rest to my family to see what they can create. So let's get this open. Carefully cut across the top. Right, so this one must be, this is the strap that goes on your wrist once you've created your bracelet. Take that off. Right, and here are the dots that I'm going to use to create the bracelet. So I'm going to have a go at putting it together. There's no set way in how to do it, so I'm just going to give it a go and just use my own creativity. So I'm really excited to show you all what me and my family have made. Here are our creations. So what my family and I loved about Lego Dots were that there were no instructions, so we could be absolutely as creative as we liked, and we could take them apart and do a different design once we've finished. The options are really limitless. So now I'm going to see what else is in the box that they sent me. So here are some extra dots. So I'm guessing these are for your bracelets if you want to change up your designs that you've already made, use some different colours and different designs, so they're really handy. And what is this? Looks like a kit to create your own pencil pot, and in the shape of a rather groovy pineapple. So I'm looking forward to giving this a go. Take that out. Oh. So I can see some leaves, some yellow boards is what they look like. Must be the outside of the pot. And that's a very nice pink colour. So what have we got here? So here we've actually got the instructions. It looks quite simple. Let's give it a go. So I've just finished making both the dots designs. So we've got the pineapple pencil pot and the watermelon paperclip box. So I'm now going to give a go at decorating them both. So we'll see how that goes. So here are some more colours that we can use to follow. Well, you can choose to follow Lego's inspo, or you can make it up and do your own. It's completely up to you. This is what I've made. I've had so much fun doing 3 of the sides. So this is one. We've got 2 colourful there. and 3, but I did think I'd leave the final one blank for my mum to fill in, as I think she'd really enjoy doing this too, as well as the paperclip box. I thought, yeah, I'd leave them for her. And not forgetting these great designs too. I had so much fun unboxing Lego Dots today, and I hope you will too. There's so many products out there that are in store now, so go give them a go. But yeah, I'm Carly, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.